guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make spring rolls, ideal for snack or aperitif. All ingredients I use you can find in Asia shop everywhere. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Before we start cooking the filling, we must prepare a few things first because it needs a bit of time. Firstly, soak the dry noodle in the water about 10 minutes or until soft. Secondly, soak the dry mushroom in the water about 10 minutes also. For the cabbage, cut the top part, then divide in half and slice in very thin layers. After that, add some salt and leave them about 10 minutes to let the water go out from the cabbage. Peel the carrot and use the grinder, grind into little pieces. Cut both ends and cut in half and then chop very fine. Release the water out from the mushroom and cut into stripes. Use the scissors to cut into short stripes, easy to cook later. After 10 minutes have passed, we will dry the cabbage by squeezing the water out or use some towel to squeeze it like I'm showing here. Make sure that it's dry. It's very important because the filling needs to be dry. If wet, you will ruin all the pastry and the spring roll will not be crispy anymore. Set the pan on high heat. We're gonna use a strong fire to do the stir fry. Add some vegetable oil and wait until it's hot. Add the mushroom in the pan. Stir until you're getting a smell. Add the cabbage and following with carrot, onion, and stir well together. After, add glass noodle and mix a bit more. Add sugar, seasoning sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir well. Add some black pepper at last and turn off the heat and let it cool down before wrapping. Now we are going to wrap by firstly prepare the pastry. As I'm doing the mini rolls, I divide them in half and cut the corner out, so it's easy to finish the wrap. Before you start to wrap, make sure that you have the pastry and egg to glue and the filling ready. Okay, we start wrap by taking one pastry, lay it flat on the board and then add the filling about 2 teaspoons at a time. Watch the video carefully to see how you roll them up. We will deep fry them by setting the pot on high heat and make sure that the oil is enough to cover the spring rolls and wait until hot. Add spring rolls into the pot, stir some time to make them have a nice brown all over. Wait until golden brown and then take them out and rest them in the paper or kitchen towel. I use plum sauce in the bottle to dip with, or if you prefer another kind of sauce, please feel free to do so. I hope you guys enjoy it and thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like to see more. See you next time. Bye.